Hello, I'm Hayden Ireland, an automation specialist with Electric Supply and Equipment. In this video, we'll go through the steps of adding an RFIdeas PCProx to a thin client configuration using Thin Manager. Once Thin Manager is open, head to the terminal and select the one you want to add the reader to. Once the terminal opens, keep clicking Next until you come to the module selection. Here we'll select Add, and then you scroll down to RFIdeas PCProx USB reader and click OK. Once it appears in the module list, click on it again and click Configure. Select the module you are using and click Done, and then Finish in the terminal window. Once that happens, you'll notice the terminal has a red exclamation point to signify there's a change in its configuration. To push the new configuration, simply reboot the terminal and wait for the terminal to turn green. Now let's head to the domain controller and select the user to verify that we're going to add a user to the list. In this example, we'll use Ed's profile. Once we select a user, make sure they are within the same domain as Thin Manager. Do this by checking the Members Of tab. Once that's done, you can close out the profile. Now we select users in Thin Manager. Then right-click at the top and select Add Users. Type in the name of your user, then select Search and select Locations. Choose the proper location from the window and click OK. Then select Search. Once the user's name appears, select it and click OK. From here, click Next until you come to the Display Client Specifications and select what screens the user can see when he badges in. In this example, Ed will be able to see the Maintenance Work Order screen and the Logix 5000 screen. With those set, click Next some more until we come to the User options. Select the Inactivity Timeout if needed and click Finish. Click on the user to make sure he can view what we selected and then reboot the terminal to apply the changes. Now we'll test what we just configured. Let's swipe our badge. And on the screen, we'll need to log in. And once we're logged in, you can see the main screen along with our work order screen and the Logix screen we just added as well. We'll swipe again to return the screen to its original settings. Finally, when the user uses his badge to swipe in, we can see that the badge number actually populates in the user profile. Thanks for watching, and if you have questions, please reach out to your local ES&E account manager or automation specialist.